Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters, and I've got this beautiful Model Y Juniper here. Check this thing out. This customer came in for a brand new upgraded set of wheels and tires and the caliper covers, and we also put lug nut covers and lock nuts on that. So this customer chose our TSR. This is a 19-inch flow-formed wheel finished in satin black. It's got a really cool roadster type DNA to it, definitely a Tesla look. Looks right at home on the Model Y, really a popular wheel for us. The customer brought their own center caps, no problem. We popped those in for the customer. And then we also installed our red caliper covers on the Juniper. Really cool, special fit, designed and engineered by us to look like a performance caliper. And it's a direct bolt-on for the Juniper. Really easy, so we installed them for the customer. And of course, details covered up the factory lug nuts with our caps. And then under that, we've got our lock nuts so nobody can steal the beautiful wheels. All right, everybody, I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. We got a lot more Juniper upgrades coming your way.